Ready to transform your YouTube channel with videos that captivate, educate, and convert, all without needing to be a tech wizard. Let's dive into how you can leverage Invideo, a powerful online video editor, to craft professional-looking YouTube content in minutes. Perfect for marketers, educators, and creators alike. First, head over to Invideo's website and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, explore Invideo's massive template library. Filter by YouTube to find options tailored for intros, outros, explainers, and more. Pick one that suits your video's theme. Now for the fun part: customization. Replace the stock media with your own footage or choose from Invideo's extensive stock library. Simply drag and drop your chosen assets into the designated areas. Tailor the text to your message. Click on any text element to change the font, size, color, and wording to align perfectly with your brand and content. Enhance the video with music and effects. Browse Invideo's royalty-free library and add a soundtrack or sound effects that amplify your video's impact. Give your video a dynamic edge by adding animations. Invideo provides various animated stickers, transitions, and text effects to keep viewers engaged. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to export. Select the optimal resolution and format for YouTube and download your video. Finally, upload your polished video directly to YouTube. Add a compelling title, description, and tags, and get ready to share your content with the world.